Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail on computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail on computer, go to your Gmail account. In left pane, click on More, and here you will find Trash. Click on Trash. You will find your temporary deleted emails here. And now I'm going to remove all emails from here. Click on Empty Trash now. And now click on OK. The emails are automatically deleted. Now, if you want to recover permanently deleted emails, go to New tab and type here email messages are missing. Email messages are missing. Now hit enter. You will find here Google Help. Email messages are missing computer. Click on here. Now scroll down. Here you will find an option. Most of my emails are missing. Just click on here. If emails are missing from your account, someone may help access without your permission. We can help find your missing emails and secure your account. Now click on this link and Gmail message recovery tool has been opened, and you will find here your email address, and this is a message. We will try to recover emails that are deleted within last 30 days. And if you want to recover all your permanently deleted emails, just click here to continue, and then hopefully you will find your permanently deleted email from Gmail on your computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.